I'm good. Josh, you good?
I'm not.
You record this guy, he looks cool. What's up, brother?
I like that, man.
You record this.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that horn
We're
at?
from a TV show, man, MTV.
Oh, really? Yeah, you can air this, man.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Fine.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alex, you good? I got 3. Go ahead. I'm gonna wait until like ready.
Okay.
Oh shit! Did you get that guy that jumped?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him? Ready? Yeah. You ready? Yeah, go ahead.
That one's.
Yeah, I don't got it.
I got her.
Car game.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
Aww. I love.
Go ahead, warn it again.
Yeah? You ready? Oh shit. It's like, where the hell did that come from? Hurry. Go ahead.
Here, go, go.
Go ahead. Do it.
What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh? Go, go, go.
Good? Yeah. Shit,
Get him.
Are you good?
No.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. What's up?
You guys like the horn?
What?
You guys like the horn?
Yeah, it's just.
Badass, huh?
What's up, brothers?
You alright, bro? Didn't mean to hurt ya.
You good? Yeah.
Lose him, so go.
Go?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you get the old ladies.
Yeah.
Go ahead, I got a good shot.
Yeah, you can go in the
Okay. Yeah.
That kid say holy shit.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, you can air this, man.